Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be trying to start opening this pool up, but first I got some new fittings here to put on. I want the real pool adapters instead of the junk ones that come on these pools, we'll say. So far I've already installed a skimmer and a real filter system, and I just bought this saltwater chlorine generator. So now all these little hoses they give you, they're garbage, they're thin, they break. So I'm gonna be trying to cut these out because I don't like it's all floppy. And I'm gonna put the nice ones in, and I got new hoses that are heavy duty, like these. They don't crack, break, and they're strong. And I've had problems with these hoses blowing off last year. So we're getting rid of all that. We're gonna fill it up with water, and we're gonna vacuum it out and try to get it running. Probably in another video here, I'm gonna be replacing the sand in that filter. So follow along and make sure you like and subscribe if you wanna see those following videos. I made this a saltwater pool, and as you can see, it needs cleaned out. But I already put some shock in it and all that to drop everything out. So it looks good. I just need to start cleaning her out, get the net in there, get the debris out, and then vacuum it, and we should be ready to go. But before that, like I said, I need to replace these two hoses. All right, so I'm gonna take this hose off. For some reason, my bees love this saltwater pool. But yeah, I'm gonna pop that off, and we're gonna trace this out. Just got a pen here. I think I'm gonna move it up, and we're gonna draw it out, right, like this. Whoop, just like that, and we're gonna cut it out so I can put in my new one. All right, I'm gonna do this side next. I'm gonna pull my jet, like I said, a little higher. Now we gotta get our knife and cut it out. So I bought these from Amazon. They're your normal pool jets. Comes with a gasket, and I think this goes on the inside. So you push it through, put the gasket on that side, and this is like a nut. And it came with all these fittings. I already Teflon taped them, tightened them up, got them ready to go so I can just pop them in. So we got to just cut out the hole and install. So I got my utility knife here. We're gonna see how this goes. All right, go like that. Look at that, right in there. Awesome. Put our gasket on here. Tighten her down. Should be all it is. I'm gonna tighten that down, and then I can adjust those as we need. And there we go. Simple as that. Do this other side. It's actually pretty thick right there. Helps if you got a sharper blade too. Mine's a little dull. We're already committed now. Wash that gasket off, it has some sand on it. All right, tight. Now we can install our new hose. We'll take this one off. And I bought these nice clamps. They really grip tight. Just like that. Make that O-ring wet so it slips on there nice. There we go. Put that like right there. It's pretty tight. There we go. We'll do this side now. Bought the cheaper hoses off Amazon. They're too small, so screw them. And these fit real nice and snug, so pretty sure they ain't gonna leak. Hey, there's a clamp on the ground I forgot about. We'll wet this inside of the pipe and the O-ring so it doesn't pinch. There we go, right on. Open our valve up. We should be ready. Time to fill it up the rest of the way. Everything's hooked up and ready to go. I gotta turn that back on. I have that open. That should give me some better pressure to actually circulate the pool better. This is the skimmer I installed. This is a pump from a previous above ground pool. It's definitely a little bit much for what this is, but works. So this is the generator I got. So we're gonna see how that works this year. I had one of the cheaper Intex ones and it lasted like a year or two. Now we need to upgrade our steps. Wanted to get some of the plastic ones, but haven't found a deal on one yet. So now we gotta get the pool ready. Fill it up, turn it on, and should be ready to go. Probably have to put some more salt in it, we'll see. We'll check all that then. 70 degrees. So yeah, if you like this and it helped you out in any way, give a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you later. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.